Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Holiroots Hair Oil is probably one of the most sought-after hair care products on the market right now, promising a luxurious and effective solution for achieving luscious, healthy locks. And in this video, we're diving deep into what makes this particular hair oil stand out from the crowd, exploring its unique ingredients, application, and the transformative results it can deliver for various hair types and concerns. So if you're on the hunt for that perfect hair oil to elevate your routine, you've come to the right place. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus, your ultimate solution for hair repair. This powerful treatment is designed to bring your hair back to life. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It's a quick yet effective way to revitalize your hair's health. Experience immediate repair for damaged hair. It targets breakage and weakness, restoring your hair's natural vitality. Get ready for noticeably softer and stronger locks. It enhances your hair's texture and resilience from the very first use. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is perfect for you. It's designed to benefit every hair type. This is the complete repair treatment your hair has been waiting for. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. What we like. This is a powerful 3-minute pre-shampoo treatment designed to repair hair damage. It works to make your hair softer and stronger. If you have damaged or chemically treated hair and are looking for a quick, effective repair solution, you should consider this. What people say. It smells amazing and leaves my hair feeling so soft and hydrated. I love how lightweight this oil is. It doesn't make my hair greasy at all, and it absorbs quickly. My hair has never looked so shiny and healthy since I started using this oil. It's definitely made a difference in the overall appearance of my hair. Number 4. Cliganic Jojoba Oil 16 ounces. Discover the purity of 100% pure jojoba oil. It's cold-pressed and natural, perfect for your skin and hair. This hexane-free oil is ideal for your face, providing natural hydration. Experience a gentle, effective way to care for your skin. Use it as a natural hair relaxer to bring life back to your locks. It helps to condition and soften your hair, leaving it manageable. Get a generous 16-ounce bulk size of this non-GMO jojoba oil. You can be confident in its pure, natural formulation. Our commitment to quality means it's cold-pressed without hexane. This ensures you receive the oil in its most natural state. It's a versatile solution for both your skin and hair needs. Enjoy the benefits of a truly natural product. What we like. This is a pure, cold-pressed jojoba oil that is hexane-free. It's great for skin, hair, and face. If you are looking for a versatile, natural oil for both your skin and hair, and prefer a hexane-free option, you should consider this. What people say. This oil is a game-changer for my hair, making it incredibly soft and manageable. I've noticed a significant reduction in frizz and an increase in shine since using this product. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which I love. Number 3. VEGAMOUR Gel Hair Serum. Are you experiencing hair thinning or shedding? We understand how frustrating it can be. It's time to consider a solution that can help. Imagine having thicker, fuller-looking hair. Our advanced formula is designed to promote visibly denser hair growth. You can start seeing results in as little as 90 days. This serum is non-oily, ensuring it won't weigh your hair down. Enjoy the refreshing scent of bergamot as it revitalizes your scalp. We believe in beauty without compromise. That's why our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free. Feel good about the choices you make for your hair and for the planet. Give your hair the nourishment it deserves. Experience the confidence that comes with healthier, more vibrant hair. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. This serum is formulated to combat hair thinning and shedding, promoting thicker and fuller-looking hair. It's non-oily with a pleasant bergamot scent and is vegan and cruelty-free. If you're experiencing hair thinning or shedding and desire a vegan, cruelty-free product that delivers visible results in as little as 90 days, you should consider this. What people say. The oil is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the scalp, leaving no greasy residue. It has a pleasant, subtle fragrance that is not overpowering. My hair feels softer and looks shinier after just a few uses. Number 2. Darshana Natural Indian Hair Oil. Discover the ancient secret to healthy, vibrant hair. Our formula harnesses the power of traditional Ayurvedic botanicals for natural nourishment. Crafted with care, this oil is made from pure, natural ingredients. You can trust what you're putting on your hair. Give your hair the deep nourishment it deserves. It's designed to revitalize and strengthen from root to tip. Infused with potent Ayurvedic botanicals, it promotes overall hair health. Experience the difference nature can make. This gentle yet effective formula is suitable for all hair types. Achieve beautiful, healthy-looking hair with ease. It's your go-to solution for achieving and maintaining healthy, lustrous hair. Embrace a natural approach to hair care. What we like. This is a natural Indian hair oil infused with Ayurvedic botanicals. It is designed to nourish your hair. If you are interested in traditional Ayurvedic hair care and want a product made with natural botanicals, you should consider this. What people say. It is a lightweight oil that absorbs quickly into the hair. It helps to reduce frizz and add shine to the hair. The oil has a pleasant, subtle scent that is not overpowering. Number 1. Dr. Berg Scalp and Hair Serum. Introducing the improved formula of our Scalp and Hair Serum. It's designed to nourish your scalp and promote healthier hair growth. This clinically tested hair oil is free from parabens and sulfates. It harnesses the power of natural ingredients for effective results. Enriched with vitamin D3 and E, it provides vital nutrients for your scalp. Experience the difference these essential vitamins can make. It features a potent blend of rosemary oil, castor oil, and jojoba oil. These ingredients work together to moisturize and strengthen your hair. Suitable for both women and men, this serum is perfect for all hair types. Achieve a healthier scalp and more vibrant hair. Give your scalp the care it deserves with this revitalizing serum. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. What we like. This is an improved formula that is clinically tested and free from parabens and sulfates. It's enriched with vitamin D3 and E, and contains rosemary, castor, and jojoba oils. If you are looking for a scientifically backed hair and scalp serum for both men and women, with a blend of beneficial oils and vitamins, you should consider this. What people say. This hair oil is a game changer for my hair, leaving it incredibly soft and manageable. I've noticed a significant reduction in frizz and an overall improvement in hair texture since using this product. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is fantastic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.